The people in Dubai love gold, and it's evident with the sheer amount of gold-covered luxuries that are available in Dubai. Things must not only be gold-covered, but also should sparkle because of the amount of diamonds covering them. Such obsession over gold would give even King Midas a run for his money. The rich people of Dubai are famous for being obsessed with this shiny yellow metal. From custom-made 24-karat gold iPhones to entire luxury cars such as Mercedes being covered from head to tail in white gold, every accessory and latest gadget known to man has already been custom-made and completely covered in gold. The Dubai lifestyle is infamous around the world for its lavishness and grand luxury. The city is adorned with luxury houses, cars, hotels, malls, royalty, modern architecture, and lots more. Being one of the quintessential luxury capitals of the world, it's fascinating to see how the super rich and famous spend their money and live their lives here. In this video, we're going to tell you in detail about the ultra-luxurious lifestyle in Dubai. Before we continue, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for notifications. If you ever feel like seeing a $2.4 billion custom-made Bugatti or a gold-covered SUV, then all you need to do is just visit Dubai. These cars are owned by Arab billionaires and their rich offspring. No wonder Dubai is called the City of Gold. If you ever get bored of seeing an array of cars and gadgets covered in gold, don't worry. They even have entire toilets made entirely of solid gold. So ATMs can be found literally all over the world now. There's nothing special about them, right? Well, in Dubai, that's not the case. There are actual ATMs in Dubai that are not only purely covered and made up of gold, but they also dispense items such as gold coins, medallions, and bars. They work just like other normal ATMs where you need to swipe a card. One such machine is located in a favorite hangout spot of the richest of Dubai, the iconic Burj Khalifa. Staying with the gold theme, Dubai's elite definitely have a special soft corner for gold. Dubai is also well known for its special gold-flavored items, from the whopping $1,200 cupcake at the world-famous Bloomsbury Cupcake Shop, a go-to hangout spot for the rich kids of Dubai, to the Golden Phoenix, which showcases 23-karat edible gold sheets in addition to the gold-dipped strawberries. All of this is served in a gold-plated cake stand. Another indulgence to do is buying super expensive luxury yachts, like Baza spending $70 million on his yacht called Esmeralda. This luxury yacht is spread across a 252-foot deck and has enough room for 12 people to comfortably live. It also has space for 24 crew members who cook, clean, steer, and look after the rich kids having their fun times. Another yacht that's in Dubai is a 532-foot-long one with space for an astonishing 48 people to sleep and enough space to host a crew of 88 people. The price tag for such a yacht is again a whopping $400 million. Dubai is littered with the most expensive and luxurious hotels in the world. For example, spending a night at one of the only 2 underwater rooms at the Atlantis Hotel. Most people's annual rent is spent in one night. The Palm would cost over $8,000, and the world-famous Burj Al Arab would cost an astonishing $24,000. Burj Al Arab is the definition of opulence and prestige, being dubbed the only 7-star hotel in the entire world. For example, the most expensive suite is a 2-bedroom suite and is dripping in gold and marble. A marble staircase takes you up to the opulent rooms. There's a private dining room with enough space for 12 friends. There is a massive living area with a full movie room and expansive views. The bedroom is directly out of an Arabian fairy tale. The massive bed can rotate as per the wish of the user, and the furniture is the most expensive in the whole hotel. The room also comes with a 24-karat gold iPad and even a private elevator which accesses all floors. Your very own butler is available to you 24/7, and there are 9 different restaurants to choose from. These restaurants all provide 5-star meals and can start to cost at least $150 per person. Something you'll get used to is the amount of gold all over the hotel. There's gold furniture, gold steps, gold columns all over. The hotel uses 20,000 square feet of gold leaf for decoration in total. That's nearly half an acre, by the way. Stop at any parking lot in the country and you'll undoubtedly come across a fleet of the latest models of Ferraris, Lamborghinis, Rolls-Royce, Porsches, and Maseratis. Dubai has such a luxurious lifestyle that luxury supercars are just part and parcel of the living standards here. Whether it's the tax-free salaries, big, clean roads, or the low prices of petrol, Dubai helps its civilians enjoy fast cars for sure. It's hilarious to see that even the Dubai police is famous for fighting crime in their Bugatti Veyrons and classic Lamborghini Aventadors. If you're a gearhead or a car lover, then you should definitely visit Dubai. Just sitting at a roadside cafe and sipping on coffee while the best cars on the planet zoom past. Now that's a fun time. Some of the most expensive and high-end apartments and penthouses are available to buy in Dubai. You should prepare yourself to part ways with at least $6 or $7 million if you wish to buy an apartment here. The largest penthouse available in all of Dubai is in the renovated Address downtown in the main downtown of Dubai. It has an absolutely massive built-up area of 7,018 square feet. It hosts 4 bedrooms only, leaving a lot of space for other things. It offers probably some of the best views of the Dubai Fountain, the Burj Khalifa, and the Dubai Mall. The massive unit is being offered as a fully furnished apartment and has never been lived in before. Other than the massive bedrooms, the home also features 6 bathrooms as well as 2 maids' rooms. There's a dry pantry, a closed kitchen, and a fully equipped laundry room too. Residents will be stunned by the views of the Dubai skyline, and with such a huge living space, it offers a potentially panoramic view of the skies. Other amenities that you would come to expect from such a fancy apartment are also included, such as an infinity pool, a 24/7 reception, and concierge service. You don't even need to step into Dubai to start experiencing its luxury. The Emirates airline itself is a symbol of the highest quality and luxury. It's the perfect mood setter, to be honest. The Dubai deserts offer a once-in-a-lifetime Dubai safari experience. From hot air balloon rides to supercar tours, Dubai covers everything in terms of entertainment. There's even Ski Dubai to get some heat off. The world's largest aquarium has been built at the Dubai Mall and should definitely be seen at least once. The Miracle Garden is no less than a wonder by itself. Sculptures are created out of colorful and exotic flowers that will leave you simply mesmerized and awestruck. Lastly, Dubai is a true haven for shopaholics. It's home to hundreds of international luxury brands such as DKNY, Rodeo Drive, Michael Kors, Hugo Boss, and so many more. Some of the best places to shop include the Dubai Mall, Mall of the Emirates, Mercado Shopping Mall, and Dubai Outlet Village. And that's a wrap for our video on the ultra-luxurious lifestyle in Dubai. So, which part of the lifestyle attracts you the most? Is it the fast cars, the luxury hotels, the super yachts, or the desert safaris? Let us know in the comments below. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for videos like this. See you in the next one.